People can smile, but spirit always show truth. We recognize real always. I see faces change like weather and tide. Same ones who laugh when you stand in your pride, but when you stumble, when you follow, suddenly nobody want for no friends turn stranger in a blink of an eye. See your mouth bless you, then tell lie. Family close but intentions far. Some love shine like a fading star. Workplace smile but envy grow. Church and mosque where illusion flow. Everybody preaching love thy brother, but behind the curtain them betray each other. Roots in my bones, I feel it deep. Truth never sleep when the night gets deep. Energy talk, it never deceive. Only the real ones know what I believe. Roots in my bones, I stand alone. Even when voices turn to stone. Life show lesson, I see it clear. Not everyone standing really sincere. Them gather like bees. When you're down, them disappear with ease. That's how the system trained the mind to love what benefit and leave behind. But I learn from pain and flame. Not every smile mean the same. Some come close just fi take and go. Never planting, just watching you grow. So I move careful, I move wise. See through masks behind disguise. Every action speak louder than word. Truth too heavy but still must be heard. Energy don't lie, no need for explanation. What is real will survive time. What is fake will fall away. I stay ahead. Don't trust every word that's said. Life deeper than the deepest sea. Not everything is what it seemed to be. I choose silence over confusion, distance over illusion. Peace of mind is the real goal, more than anything they try to hold. If you stand alone, stand strong and true. The right ones will eventually find you. But never beg where love is fake. Better to walk than a heart that breaks. Roots in my bones, I feel it deep. Truth never sleep when the night gets deep. Energy talk, it never deceive. Only the real ones know what I believe. Roots in my bones, I stand alone. Even when voices turn to stone. Life show lesson, I see it clear. Not everyone standing really sincere. Stay wise, stay grounded, and watch energy more than words. Because roots don't lie.